Hello, this is HBM Organic Beauty and welcome to my channel. So if you're just coming across me for the first time, yeah, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So I want to drop some recipes, like I want to teach you how you can make some of your body enhancement products using the right herbs, using the right ingredients for it, and believe me, you're gonna see results, like perfect results. Okay, so if you know that you've been aiming to have this bigger butts or having bigger boobs, or you know, having this bigger larger hips, okay, then this video is for you. So first of all, before I go into the video, I just want to let you guys know that our training is still on. So if you want to train, you want to learn how to make skincare products, you want to learn how to make body enhancement products, advanced body enhancement product, advanced skincare formulations, yes, I am your right plug. Just send us a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen right now. So I'll be teaching you how to make your butt and hips enlargement powder drink. Okay, this recipe I'm about to drop, this recipe is a well detailed and complete recipe. Okay, so I'll be showing you all the powders I'll be using to make this recipe, and I'll be giving you all their measurements so you can just try and make this recipe out yourself, and believe me, you're going to come back and give me reports on how far it went with you. So the number one powder that you'll be needing to make your butt and hips enlargement drink is your Shatavari powder. Okay, so this is Shatavari powder. Okay, so Shatavari powder is actually a powder that actually help you to gain weight at the right places. Okay, because we need a powder or a root or a herb that will actually help us to generate more protein, especially on those parts of our body we need them. Because when it comes to your body parts, there are places that are naturally meant to accumulate more protein. Your butt can actually contain a whole lot of fat. That is why you see most people, when they go for liposuction or fat transfer, they take out the fat from their tummy and they transfer or channel the fat to their butt. Okay, that is because the butt is naturally meant to actually accumulate a whole lot of fat. Okay, and when it comes to protein can actually help you in generating fat also. Then when it comes to your you know, your upper chest, your chest, women chest, okay, it also have this tendency to generate much fat, and that is why you see naturally, women naturally, the way God has created us, we have bigger front side and, you know, bigger back side, okay, more than the men. Okay, that is because it has been that way. Like, it can, those parts of the body can actually accumulate much fat. It is natural. You'll be needing your Shatavari powder, 50 grams of your Shatavari powder. You're going to also need your whey protein. Okay, whey protein, I've actually done a review on this channel about whey protein. Okay, whey protein is very okay if you want to gain weight. Whey protein is very good for you. You're too skinny, you want to gain weight, whey protein is very good. So you can just start taking your whey protein with your milk or your yogurt. Okay, and before you know it, you start gathering weight, like adding weight, especially to those places that it is needed. Now this recipe I want to drop for you will not make you gather fat in your tummy. Okay, so just listen as I drop all the recipe for you. Number one, I said Shatavari powder. Okay, you need 50 grams. You need your whey protein powder, you need 50 grams. So all these powders, you can see all these powders are very much available at an affordable price, and we can ship to you wherever you are. So why I'm actually making this video is that most people will come, they will say, HBM, give me the ingredients that will make me to add weight, or give me the ingredient that will make me to have big butts or big front side, big boobs, you know. So that's why I'm actually making this video. So I'll be writing all the names of this ingredient that you'll be needing on the screen, so you will not just come and tell me to start writing them out. At least if you're coming to my WhatsApp messages now, you will be coming with your list, because I'm actually giving you all the recipe you will need. So the third ingredient we'll be needing to make our butt and hips enlargement drink is our red clover. So you'll be needing 50 grams of red clover. Okay, red clover, this ingredient I'm actually giving to you, they are all ingredients that helps to boost the phytoestrogen level in your body. So as a woman, we all have estrogen that are in charge of our bodies. So estrogen that are in charge of making your butt side bigger, making your front side bigger. This is actually going to help to boost those estrogen. So your red clover is very, very important. Okay, this when it comes to the estrogen level count, yeah, I think red clover is also one of the highest. Fennel is the number one. Fennel has more and high amount of estrogen level counts in it, so you can Google it to just confirm what I'm saying. So red clover also is as one of the highest estrogen level count also. So this red clover, you'll be needing red clover 50 grams. Okay, then another ingredients that we'll be needing our white yam. Okay, this is white yam. This is a Mexican white yam. Okay, this is your white yam. So you'll be needing 50 grams of your white gram to make your butt and hips enlargement powder drink. Okay, so another powder I'll be recommending to you is our yellow maca. Okay, so this is yellow maca. Okay, all these are available. Okay, so this is yellow maca. So you want to make your butt and hips enlargement drink, you don't have maca, man, your recipe is not complete yet, because maca is used in treating various kind of estrogen problem. Okay, now you want to grow bigger front side, bigger back side, bigger hips. This can actually help you in boosting your curves. Another thing, again, you are a man, you don't do well, you don't you ejaculate quickly, you don't your rod does not have enough stamina, your rod does not stand well, your machine gun is not firing well. Okay, you need maca. So just take maca with your smoothie, with your custard, with your tea, hard milk, and take it anytime. Believe me, you will come back and testify. So this one alone on its own is another powerful ingredient you need to make your butt and hips enlargement drink. So you're going to be needing 50 grams of this. So that means we have actually mixed 250 grams of ingredient of our butt and hips enlargement ingredient. So you actually mix all this in a bowl, turn it very well, you mix it very well. There's no big deal there. So I just feel like there's no need for me to come and do practical, because there's nothing there. It's just basically you adding 50 grams into a bowl, then you just stir it, and in the morning you take it with any milk, full cream milk. Please do not go and take it with skimmed milk, okay, because you're trying to gather weight where it is needed. So in the morning you take it with milk. You just add 1 full teaspoon into your tea or into a cup, and you add your milk or you add your yogurt and you drink. Then make sure you're taking this, please, in the morning before you eat, so you can eat 40 minutes later. Then in the night you take this 1 hour after your meal before you go to sleep. And please, now if you're this kind of person that naturally, you know, you have the tendency of getting fat, and you actually want to shoot out your butt, you want to shoot out your front side, please, on the process of you taking this, if you now notice that you're beginning to gather some fat in your tummy, of course it's possible, it's very, very possible, except I will start lying to you, but there's no big deal. Okay, once you're taking body enhancement ingredients, see, it is highly advisable, or it is highly recommended you waist train. Even for those people going for liposuction, you go do liposuction and you now feel that because you've done fat transfer, you did liposuction, your tummy will not get bigger. It's a lie, my sister. As long as you're still eating, okay, your tummy will get big. It's all in your hand after you going for liposuction, because that's why the fact that you paid millions, okay, you still need to waist train. Even on the process of doing the after the liposuction, you still need to buy some body magic or body packer to hold your bum in place for some days, okay, before your bum will be free, and so many other stress attached to it. But this one, you're not even spending millions, okay. All you need is for you to get the right herbs, and here we sell the right herbs, okay. We sell right herbs, My fennel is my fennel, my maca is my maca, my yellow maca is my yellow maca, my black maca is my black maca, my whey protein is my whey protein, red clover is red clover. Nothing is mixed here. I don't mix, because you know why? These are actually what I use in making my butter and heat enlargement product I sell for my brand, 8BM brand. And if I sell mixed product or I sell fake products, what do I stand to achieve? Nothing. Okay, so now just mix all this. Take it morning and night, and also you can waist train, because believe me, when you're trying to keep in shape, it's very good for you to waist train. There's 90% assurance that this will not make you gather fat on your tummy or in your tummy, but in case, okay, in case, just waist train. There's no big deal there. You have to waist train. Okay, so when you're waist training and you're actually adding fat to the right places and you're waist training at the same time, it's actually, what your waist trainer does is that it actually helps your the fat that is supposed to go through your tummy. It's help those fats that are supposed to stay in your tummy. It channels them downward, like to your hips, to your butt. Do you understand? That is what waist trainer actually does when you're trying to enhance your body. So thank you so much. Just try this recipe and follow it diligently. Make sure you're following the recipe, you're taking it diligently, because believe me, you cannot be doing one day on, one day off. You take it once a day, or you're not diligent with it, you're not faithful with it, you will not see results. The only way you can see results is when you're diligently taking this product. You're going to see results. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we ship worldwide, so why not patronize your girl? So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. So if you want me to make any other video for you, kindly send me a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen, so that I'll know what content to drop for you guys next. Thank you so much. Bye.